Hey guys, let's cook curd rice. Not new, but my version. An easy peasy lazy food. Let's begin with curd. This is enough for me. I don't want to make it too much saucy. Enough to season my rice. We add salt as per taste. I also added a mix of sugar and black salt prepared by me. Okay, done. The finely chopped green chilies minus the seeds. Let's add some fresh mint leaves. You can add coriander leaves too. Let's chop them in the small pieces into the small pieces. Finely chopped ginger. You can also add the mango ginger, which is enhanced the taste, really enhance the taste. I don't have it now. Add some coconut and some cucumber, chopped cucumber. You can also add some chopped carrot, which I don't have. These are the blanched green peas and sweet corns, fried red chili, cashew and peanut. I almost burnt them. Let's mix all the ingredients. Break the fried red chilies for smoky flavor. Mix them nicely. Now time to add the steamed rice and mix properly. In place of rice, we can also take cooked vermicelli, macaroni or rice noodles, or you can take poha. This is really a fulfilling dish and also good for lunch works also. You can eat it with achar, chutney, etc. But I think it itself is very satisfying and tasty. It is a very good option to prepare your leftover rice and kids will love it. Now it is tadka time. A little bit of homemade ghee. Begin with mustard seed, onion seed, pinch of hing, red dry chilies, some curry leaves, some cumin seed, I forgot, now add it, and a half teaspoon of black gram. You can take some chana dal too, Cook it in high flame for a good tadka. And now put it over the rice mixture. Mix well. Our rice is ready. And our sauce stopper, this is for a crunchiness. I added some cornflakes masala chips. Otherwise you can take any type of bhujia mixture, namkeen, or maybe crunchy nuts, muslis, anything for your taste, according to your taste. It's really amazing. You add something like this, it's totally fulfilling. Thank you.